How to add email address on LinkedIn. To get started, go ahead and open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. You will then be brought to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, tap on Settings at the bottom. Go to Sign In and Security. Then, tap on Email Addresses. Over here, you can view all the email addresses that you have added to your LinkedIn account. Tap on Add Email Address below if you want to add another email address. Now, type in your new email address over here. Then, enter your LinkedIn password below. After that, tap on Submit. A confirmation will then be sent to this account. Click on the confirmation link to verify and add this email. Following these steps, you can easily add email address on LinkedIn.